Nong yalam ke NPP ke badairu ke Menteri Sorkar Jala ke kong Ampareen lingdo haka pratarik kala lingkot arjaat pausau kalau ong bakum ke seng san perthei ke Voice of the People Party kamdai ban Pynthut ya ke Shongsuk Shongsan ne pen kulma reki paiba kani ke jingkren ke kong Ampareen kalau ong hadin balakali halor ke jingberthan ke VPP ban mi Shamadan ban persyajur ke jingweng kam ke Sorkar ya ki ofisar na ke Meghalaya Lokayukta ki badan benta ban tokit ya ke jingkenok bamsap ya ka jingshna ya ka MDC Hostel jong Agaro Hills Autonomous District Council kakong Ampareen kalau ong bakum ka seng san perthei kamdai banwan ra jingkulmar hendai kadai banwan ban yathir banya pen I hakamit bar ka Sorkar haba ka don kanu ka jingbom shai namar ba ka negari senshar pat ba hak ba ka Sorkar kalong ka bakloi ban pediang banya kren ban pensnguthu ya ka jingbom shai.
But government is clear on one thing. As political parties, you have your own understanding of things. But as a government, we have clarified. And this is a democracy. Matters can be debated. Matters can be discussed without creating unnecessary tension, disrupting the peace of the state, disrupting the everyday working of this government. January is an important month for us. We have several activities lined up. We await the visit of the Honorable President of this great nation, who will be visiting as a state visitor to the state of Meghalaya. We have the NEC meeting that is also scheduled this month. We also have the Republic Day celebrations which are also happening this month. We hope that within the parameters of democracy, there shall be no one-sided, lopsided presentation of facts which are not true. We have explained ourselves with the hope that as governments work in the past, today and tomorrow, we work together. Errors that occur at the time of discharging of our duties may occur. We discuss, we talk across the table without disrupting the lives of people. I do not understand the interpretation of the word movement. We are now also in election year. Very likely all political parties will be preparing their own agendas for the upcoming MP elections. And I hope that as a government, we too have our space. Everybody has a space. We hope that everything that is discussed within context and within relevance of fact, not aberrations of a fact.